Cap 26 or just took repairs and hobbies. And we got a model here. We're going to put together some of it, most of it. That right there. Head. Some body there. Looks like a model we did before, huh? Jeanie body. Here's a bottle. And it's torso. Pieces right there. I gotta put to the side. Looks like I maybe lost a piece. Need a knife. Need some arms. And there's two pieces missing. We're going to have to fabricate. Well, they're in here, I guess. There's another one. There's another one. We've got all the pieces. I thought we didn't. Go through this. Kind of a strange... Oh, there's another one. Kind of a strange packing material I've never seen before. So look through it. Okay, I'm satisfied. Nothing in there. Put that to the side. Put this knife away. Let's see how this fits together. That fits together good. Good fit. That's a good fit. So here we go. We gotta use the pliers again, guys, to open the glue. Need two pliers. I wonder how that happened. Glued itself. Let's see if any will come out. Yep. Put that right there. Fits together very well. Let's put the head on. But you always pre-fit the parts. So okay, that fits on well. This is a good print. This print came out good. This is not one of my prints. This is a print that was sent to me. Fits on good like that. I gotta put her hair on. So I'll put a little glue on the hairline. I don't know if you can see this. I hope you can see this all. I'm not out of camera shot. Let me see. Can you see it? Yeah. Sorry, guys. I'll fix the camera. I'm just going to put a drop on the hairline here. just to make sure it gets in there. And take a Q-tip, just get some of that extra off. Put that to the side. These wrenches. Let's see how this fits. Yeah, it fits very well. That's good. It's a good fit. I know I put things together and then I paint them. That's how I do things. You know, if you feel like you want to do it another way, that's fine with me. I have to layer on the side here and put something underneath it. The brush, like that, till it dries. Take a few minutes to dry. We hope. And her head fell off. It takes time to do stuff like this, you know? It really does. Could use Mr. Putty, and that would be good. It would take longer. You'd have to support it. You know, that'd make a good adhesion to using this other type of glue. It just doesn't want to adhere. Let's put it right here. I might have used green stuff on the other one, you know, to get this glued together. I don't want to have to, but it looks like we may be going that route. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use the green stuff. Oh. Take the scissors out. When in doubt, just use the green stuff. You know, you'll be there all day trying to have it adhere and dry. As usual, you have to mix this green stuff up, and it's got to turn green. That's why they call it green stuff. A lot of people call it green blue. You've seen me do this a million times. And so that's what she looks like. She's a pretty good looking genie, you know. And look forward to painting her. And just gonna get her arms on here and see if we can get this, you know, all made up so you can look at the whole view of it, what it's going to look like. And I'm just going to take my time and paint the model itself. So you're gonna stick some green stuff in there like that. There we go. Much better. Like I said, lifesaver. This green stuff is a lifesaver. Don't want to knock her over. Doesn't take much. You know, when it's inside a joint, you get a good, a good adhesion to the model. You want to make sure it doesn't. You're gonna have to do her head too. You definitely have to do her head. Good adhesion. I don't know if the waist glued together or not, but we'll check that too. And the head just pops off. Less than that. Put some in there. It wants to stick to your fingers. So, like that. Like that. And there she is. She's a little off balance because she's not on her pillow. Let's see if we can put her on her pillow. There we go. That's what she looks like all together. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Rate and subscribe. She comes with a bottle, of course. And we'll see you in the next video when she's all painted. Bye for now. Here she is all together, and we'll be painting her later in another video. And I thank you for watching, and please rate and subscribe. And if you have trouble putting it together, this model or any model like 3D, use green stuff. It'll work very well putting on the limbs and the head and everything else. So we'll see you next time. Bye for now.